Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Wood Spatula Set is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any kitchen, offering a natural and gentle way to prepare your favorite meals without scratching your delicate cookware. These spatulas are crafted from high-quality wood, ensuring durability and a comfortable grip, making them perfect for flipping, stirring, and serving a wide array of dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, a reliable set of wood spatulas can elevate your cooking experience, providing both functionality and a touch of rustic charm to your cooking routine. Number 5. Woodenhouse 10-piece Teak Wood Utensil Set. Introducing a comprehensive set designed to meet all your cooking demands. This collection includes everything from spatulas to ladles, ensuring you have the right tool for every task. Experience the lasting quality of 100% natural teak wood. Each utensil is crafted from a single piece, offering a solid, smooth, and beautifully finished product that won't crack or melt. Protect your precious non-stick pans with these smooth wooden utensils. Unlike metal alternatives, they won't scratch your cookware, preserving its integrity. Enjoy peace of mind with utensils that are safe and healthy for everyday use. Their non-reactive nature ensures no unwanted chemical or metallic tastes are transferred to your food. Cleaning is simple with warm, soapy water. These biodegradable utensils are an eco-friendly addition to your kitchen, making them a thoughtful gift. Designed with your comfort in mind, these utensils feature ergonomic handles for a comfortable grip. Stirring and serving become a pleasure. What we like? This set offers an extensive collection of 10 distinct cooking tools, ensuring you have the right utensil for every culinary task. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to cover all your cooking needs, from stirring to serving, this is the set for you. Its natural teak wood construction guarantees durability and safety for your non-stick cookware. What people say. These spatulas are made from a single piece of wood, so there are no cracks or crevices for food to get stuck in. The smooth, natural finish of the wood is beautiful and feels great in the hand. They are perfect for non-stick cookware as they won't scratch the surface. Number 4. Woodenhouse 8-piece Teak Wooden Utensil Set. Introducing our premium 8-piece utensil set, crafted from 100% natural teak wood. These utensils are designed for lifelong quality and a superb finish, offering a sturdy and elegant addition to your kitchen. This all-in-one set includes everything you need for cooking, from spoons and spatulas to a convenient holder and hooks. It's designed to meet all your culinary needs with practicality in mind. Our utensils are gentle on your non-stick pots and pans, preventing scratches and damage. They are also heat-resistant, ensuring safe and healthy cooking without harmful materials. Cleaning is simple, just hand wash and dry. For storage, utilize the included holder or hooks to keep your kitchen tidy and organized. Maintaining them with mineral oil will keep them looking smooth. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This unique wooden kitchen utensil set is a wonderful choice for any home cook. We guarantee your satisfaction with a prompt replacement or reimbursement if you're not completely happy. What we like? This option provides a well-rounded set of 8 essential utensils, thoughtfully complemented by a holder and spoon rest to keep your cooking space tidy. If you value organization and a clean countertop while you cook, this set is an excellent choice. The included hooks offer convenient storage solutions. What people say. The set includes a plethora of spoons and spatulas, a spoon rest, a holder and hooks, a good value for the money. The wood is smooth, warm to the touch, and beautifully finished without shoddy seams or rough edges. The included hooks allow me to hang utensils neatly under a shelf or rail, freeing up drawer space. Number 3. Mooues Natural Teak Wooden Kitchen Utensil Set. Introducing the Mooues 9-piece Natural Teak Wooden Kitchen Utensil Set. It's designed to make your cooking experience more enjoyable and organized. Tired of messy countertops? This set features a clever spoon rest and holder, keeping your cooking space clean and tidy. Plus, the holder has a leak hole for easy drainage. Made from durable, natural teak wood, these utensils are built to last. They are healthier and stronger than silicone or bamboo, and the smooth finish won't scratch your cookware. This comprehensive set includes everything you need, from spatulas and spoons to a strainer and salad fork. It covers all your kitchen tasks, from stirring to serving. Cleaning is a breeze, simply hand wash with warm, soapy water. Each utensil has a hole for easy hanging or storage, keeping your kitchen organized. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful wooden utensil set is perfect for any cooking enthusiast. We also offer excellent after-sales support for any questions you may have. What we like. This set stands out with its integrated spoon holder and rest, designed for ultimate convenience and a clutter-free cooking experience. If you appreciate having a dedicated spot to place your utensils during and after cooking, this is the perfect fit. The durable teak wood and comfort grip handles ensure both longevity and ease of use. What people say. The spatulas are made of good quality wood and feel sturdy. They are a good size for various cooking tasks and don't scratch non-stick pans. The set includes a variety of shapes, making it versatile for different needs. Number 2. AIUHI Teak Wood Cooking Utensil Set, 8-pack. Discover the beauty and functionality of our handmade teak wood cooking utensils. Crafted from a single piece of natural teak, they offer a safe and eco-friendly way to prepare your meals. Each utensil is meticulously burnished for a smooth, comfortable feel. Enjoy a superior cooking experience with tools designed for both durability and elegance. These premium wooden spoons are perfect for your non-stick pots and pans. They won't scratch or damage your expensive cookware, ensuring its longevity. Simply hand wash to maintain their beauty. With comfortable handles, they are easy to store in drawers or hang for a touch of artistry in your kitchen. More than just cooking tools, their unique grain makes each set a beautiful piece of art. Elevate your kitchen with these exquisite, earth-friendly utensils. We are confident you'll love this set. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll assist you within 24 hours. Join the AIUHI family today. What we like. Crafted from a single piece of natural teak wood, this set emphasizes durability and a smooth, comfortable feel. If you prioritize utensils that are both robust and aesthetically pleasing, this is a great option. The unique grain of each piece adds a touch of artistry to your kitchen tools. What people say. Very sturdy and easy to store. Beautiful and well made. I use them every day. These are quality non-stick kitchen utensils that keep you from finding plastic in your food. They are easy to clean, but should be washed by hand. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 3-piece Wooden Turner Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips 3-piece Wooden Turner Set. This set includes a slotted turner, a regular turner, and a sauté paddle, perfect for all your cooking needs. Crafted from solid, one-piece beechwood with a natural oil finish, these tools are built to last. This construction protects the wood, ensuring long-term use and durability. Worry-free cooking is here. These turners are designed to be safe for use on all your non-stick cookware, preventing scratches and damage. Enjoy a comfortable grip with the large, ergonomic handle. It's designed for ease of use, making cooking more enjoyable. To maintain their quality, these wooden utensils require hand washing only. This simple care ensures they remain in excellent condition for years to come. Feel good about your purchase. This product is made from FSC-certified beechwood, supporting responsible forest management worldwide. What we like. This set focuses on essential turning and sautéing tools, made from solid, one-piece beechwood. If you're looking for a compact set of high-quality turners and a sauté paddle, this is ideal. The use of FSC-certified wood highlights a commitment to responsible sourcing. What people say. They are very well made and work well. The wooden handles feel comfortable to hold, and the turners are strong enough to flip everything from pancakes to heavier items like burgers without bending. I like that the wood is thick and durable, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.